use this one first before I'm doing it with the chamfer foil. Blend, thin coat. Do not do it thick. If you do too thick, it's become peeling off. And plus, if your lamps doesn't cure properly, it might peeling off. So do it thin only. And same brush, close the cap on this and wipe it off for me. And I am gonna using my brush and tap it. I love this blast of colors. This is really make my clients so happy. It's so different when you see compared with a lot of different other glitters. So dramatic. It looks really sparkle in person. They are so obsessed with this. All the clients are like, let's try something new, and say, okay. It's all the picture if I get to post or to share, you can't never tell how beautiful it look. Gotta see it in person. So I'm gonna do it like kind of a thickers on the cuticle area, and you can do it the other way, which is your on the free edges. Either way, however you would like to, or however your clients prefer. Like if they want to do it on the free edges, or they want to do it from a cuticle down. It depends on the clients what they prefer. And I'm telling you, so easy. If you're doing, like for instance, if you're doing liquid gunpowder, sometimes I do that with clients too, liquid gunpowder. And then if the clients is not sure, or they next time if they have the nails that they come in, they don't want to change completely everything, so you don't have to fight all the way crazy, and you're doing a fill, and then you can encapsulating beautiful glitter or foil or anything instead of encapsulating right in there. So I'm gonna tap just a little bit. No, I don't want that ombre on that. Just a little bit. That's it. For great for beginner, if you're doing a gels as well, or even you're doing liquid gunpowder, I really like that. However you want, you're gonna do it more ombre in here and fading it looks. You can really adjusting it. This is how I really like it too. Either way, I can share with you both way with liquid gunpowder or dipping powder of ombre, but I want to share with you with all different options you can do. So if you are not really like care much for liquid gunpowders, and do this encapsulating with condensed glue gel. If you don't do it with liquid gunpowder, you can do it with dipping powders. You can do either way. So now I'm gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds with this. If you are happy, if you're not happy, you can do whatever you prefer, and pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Thank you, Lori. Thank you, Ira. That's glitter, so beautiful. It is so beautiful, and I took that out from the kits in I think it is kits. I did it out. Blast of colors. That's so freaking like, I'm ready to do this for all of you too. Like have aqua colors. Great. I'm gonna wipe off my brush, all my stuff off of my brush, completely off, clean, and cap on. Well, I might do a cap on later because I need this for my thank you, AC Nails. Thank you so much for the love and support. It's so much fun every time I get to do and share with all of you, because it's so much to share and it's so much to learn. Condensed glue gels again. I'm using condensed glue gel again. And with this, after you apply this, make sure you apply it cover completely. The first base, when you put it on the top of the colors, you do a thin coat. Do not using it too much, too thick, that it can cause of, you know, like not cure properly. All right, close the lid. and wipe off the brush and cap on and put it on the no wipe top coat. Here's a cool tip and trick. If you don't want to do a no wipe top coat shiny, you can do a matte top coat. If you're seeing that a lot of like a matte, look for dramatic glitter because they using a matte top coat. So whatever you prefer, if your clients love the really shiny look, you give them a shiny look. If they want, oh, I want matte looks, and say, okay, here's the matte look. Either way, coat them on the top and floating them. Do not drag them too much. I was using right now my techniques. I'm just floating it them like a feather touch. And then you pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And this nail are completely done. It's so freaking easy. Like, it's great for beginners, or if any of you are afraid to do liquid and powder, this is a really do a solid pink first for liquid and powder. Then do a ombre glitter, because the next time they come in, they want to keep that pink and they want that glitter off. You can still feel the same pink. Whatever is depend on your salon using feeling. Like with our salon, we don't feel on the top of other people's work. The reason it is because we're not sure what type of products from other salons that clients, maybe they was from other salon or they travel from somewhere else. I'm not sure what products they're using underneath, so then I can able to serve my clients better. So usually we do not do on other people's work. And plus that if they are doing something that I'm not sure, so I can't matching the same colors that for them feel. But then if the clients that we're doing liquid and powder and they want to do a refill, there's only like 2 weeks of refill. That'll be the service price different. If they do 3 weeks, and usually 4 weeks, then no refill is going to be a completely new set, because I don't know the conditions of the nail. So, but if the clients that come back 2 weeks and they say, okay, Nancy, I want to keep that pink, but I want the glitter to be off, so can we do that? Absolutely, yes. If you 2 weeks and your nail still fresh, I can just fire off this and then fill the pink, and then your service is depend on what service of your salon is to be fill the